How to fulfill orders with AliExpress. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with fulfilling orders on your Shopify store that you are, importing from AliExpress. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is download CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is a integration. I have a detailed video on how you can integrate CJ Dropshipping, so make sure to check that out before you continue on over here. But once you actually have CJ Dropshipping installed, then you want to be able to, fulfill those orders. You have imported products. I have all of those details in the video down below, so I will make sure to link that and check that out. Now, after you import products on CJ Dropshipping, just as an example, let's import another product. So I'm just going to go into blouses and shirts and I'm going to import a product just to show you guys. We have this product over here. I'm going to click on list and I just want to list it as it is on my Shopify store. Now, one thing you can do whenever you are listing items is make sure you are editing it before you list it. Then you also have auto listing that you can automate, but I'm just going to click on list it now and we will click on product type. And I will click on list it now, entering my store price like so. And once I have that, I'm going to click on list it now. And once the listing is in process, you want to make sure that you have built your checkout. So a lot of times people are using these and they don't realize that they have not built a checkout. So if you don't build a checkout, if you just list the product and click on add to cart, it's going to show in the cart, then people can click on checkout. And because you haven't built the checkout page yet, it won't appear. So for that, make sure you go into your settings, go into your app store once more. And to build a very seamless checkout, just go into your app store and search for checkout. So there are a bunch of different checkout buttons. Now I just like to use the instant checkout buy button, click on add app. And we're just going to set this up. It takes a couple of seconds to set up your checkout page. And then customers can order, and once they are able to order, they will be, easily able to, purchase the product. So once we have everything ready, we're going to start checking out whether or not our little store is working yet. So the import process has now been completed for the product. This was our product, and now if I click on buy it now, I've set up my checkout in the meantime as well. So people can, enter their information, add all their stuff, and then click on continue to shipping over here like so. And once they do that, they have their shipping method, and then they can click on continue to payment, cash on delivery, click on complete order over here, and now we have a sample order. So just to show you guys, now you guys can see this is my order. Now what do you do with the unfulfilled? Well, you're just going to click on your order over here and you will simply click on request fulfillment. And once you click on request fulfillment, you will click on send fulfillment request on the right side of your screen. And this will automatically send the fulfillment request via CJ Dropshipping. So you can even go into your CJ Dropshipping platform, go into My CJ, and you can manage your orders from there as well. But you guys will be able to see it says requested over here. And if I go on to my CJ Dropshipping item, we have orders, we have imported orders, and we will be able to actually see the requested orders. Now, one thing I do recommend to most people is that to making sure that you're not using AliExpress for a very long time, simply because using CJ Dropshipping and all those is a great way for you to create a business, to start a business. But usually with these types of things, you're going to get a better deal if you're able to actually, get a direct contact with your supplier. So currently, obviously, my fulfillment is requested. And after the fulfillment is requested, you can click on collect payment or mark as paid, enter credit card, however you want. This is a cash on delivery item, so I won't do that. And then you have the customer information that gets sent. You have this that gets sent. And then after that, CJ Dropshipping will actually verify your order. Now, if you take a look at any of your unfulfilled orders, you will actually see a order confirmation that will get sent. You also have other details. So if we take a look at this one over here, so you guys can see the fulfillment was cancelled, obviously, because it was a fake order. It was very obvious it was a fake order because it had fake details. So I just did this to show you guys as a sample. But CJ Dropshipping is going to take more time as if you were directly in contact with your own sellers, with your own suppliers. So I do definitely think that there is a pro in having your own people, sourcing and hunting products. There are a lot of sourcing and hunting agencies now. Even those are going to, obviously make a profit out of you, but they will offer a better 7 to 12 day shipping time internationally, and it really can give you a discount as well on the product. So even on AliExpress prices, you can get upwards of 10 to 15% discounts on each of these items. So I definitely do think that although CJ Dropshipping is a great way to get started, using it for a very long time is not going to be a good way to establish your business. And establishing direct contact is definitely going to help you out in terms of just generally, getting more reliability and getting a wider set of audience that trusts you and has a proper brand image established of you, because then you can require customization, you can add custom packaging, and so much more to your orders. Now, if you're confused about setting your shipping rates and whatnot for your website, because you guys can see my fulfillment is in process, but you might wonder, what am I charging the customer for this fulfillment? Well, you can go into settings on your bottom left, click on shipping and delivery, and from here you can set up your own personal shipping rates that you're going to charge from your website to your customer, and you can also set up your processing times. So you guys can set up your processing time, you can show up your, shipping rates with transit times, you can offer express shipping, so on and so forth, depending on, the different types of items that you have on your website. So it really does depend on the type of items that you have as well on CJ Dropshipping. Obviously, if you have, larger items, they're going to take more time, they're going to cost more for your seller. And smaller items are going to be easier, and you can offer cash on delivery for those smaller items as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video and share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.